In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make your text stand out more clearly in your video, changing the font color is one of the quickest and most useful adjustments you can make. Whether you're working on titles, captions, or simple on-screen text, DaVinci Resolve makes this process very straightforward once you know where to look. To begin, go to the Edit tab at the bottom of DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where you'll usually manage your timeline, clips, and text elements. Once you're in the Edit tab, find the text you want to change and click on it directly in your timeline. Make sure you're selecting the correct text layer, especially if you have multiple titles stacked or placed close together. After selecting the text, move to the top right corner of the screen and click Inspector if it isn't already open. The inspector is where you can control the settings for the selected element, including position, size, rotation, and of course, text appearance. If you don't see it at first, don't worry. Just click it once to open the panel. With the inspector open, scroll down until you see the color options. Depending on your text type and layout, this section may be slightly lower in the panel, so take a moment to look carefully. Once you find the color controls, click to open them if they are collapsed. Now you can change the font color in a few different ways. If you want something quick and simple, you can choose from basic colors using the color picker. This is useful when you just need a fast visual change. If you're trying to match a brand style or a very specific look, you can also enter a color code. That gives you more precision and helps keep your design consistent. You also have the option to manually adjust the RGB values and other settings, which is great if you want finer control over the exact shade. As you make your changes, keep an eye on the preview so you can immediately see how the new text color looks against your background. This helps you choose a color that is not only attractive but also easy to read. And that's it. Once you've selected the color you want, your text will update right away. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in the overall look and readability of your video.